Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I will be doing a song reaction right now from Minnal Murli. Yes, this song is called Edukka Kashe. Edukka Kashe. So the thumbnail looks very interesting. There's a kid in the thumbnail, so I don't know gonna get some more visuals from the film or not involving this kid and Tovino. So let's see, let's check out the song. It's almost 4 minutes. So before I check the song, let me look at the credits. Lyrics. I think all the lyrics have been written by Manu Manjeet only. But I want to see who composed this. Shan Rahman. So this is a song by Shan Rahman. Okay. Here we go. No subtitles, no problem. All right. And can I just say, I'm very happy to see Netflix promote this movie so well. It made me personally very happy that the way this movie is getting promoted by Netflix. So good job. Okay, here we go. Oh. After the second trailer, I think I need a song like this. Edukka Kashe.
Edukka Kashay മാറിയ തുരുമ്പിൽ തിളക്കം വെക്കുന്നു ഞൊടിക്കും കയ്യിൽ കേകണ മുഴക്കം പടക്കം പോലല്ലേ കൺകെട്ടു കണ്ടിട്ടയ്യോ മിണ്ടാട്ടമില്ലാതായോ കൺകെട്ടു കണ്ടിട്ടയ്യോ മിണ്ടാട്ടമില്ലാതായോ നാം ഞെട്ടി നിൽക്കുന്നല്ലോ മന്ത്രമില്ലാതെ മായകളില്ലാതെ ഇന്ദ്രലോകത്ത് ചെന്നത് പോലാണ് ചന്ദ്രനെ ചൂണ്ടി ചന്തയിൽ വെട്ടിയിടാൻ തന്ത്രമോരോന്ന് തേടണ രണ്ടാളും
I have no words. Really. This movie has amazing songs.
ഒരു നാടിൻ നാവിൽ നിന്നും വീരകഥകൾ കാറ്റിലലിയും കാതിലണയും പതിവെല്ലാം മാറിപ്പോയി ദൂരെ മലയും നാലു ചുവടിൽ താണ്ടി മറയാം കരളാകത്തേനിൽ മുങ്ങി താഴും ഇവരിൽ നൂറു കനവും താനെയുണരും
I love it.
അനുരാഗം നെഞ്ചിനുള്ളിൽ കോട്ട പണിയും വീണ്ടും അവളെ കാത്തു കഴിയും മിടുക്കന്മാരിവരാരോ തമ്മിൽ രണ്ടാളും കാണുന്ന നേരം അങ്കത്തട്ടിൽ വീരോടെ വാഴുന്നതാരോ കൺകെട്ടു കണ്ടിട്ടയ്യോ മിണ്ടാട്ടമില്ലാതായോ
Oh, wow.
കൺകെട്ടു കണ്ടിട്ടയ്യോ മിണ്ടാട്ടമില്ലാതായോ നാം ഞെട്ടി നിൽക്കുന്നല്ലോ മന്ത്രമില്ലാതെ മായകളില്ലാതെ ഇന്ദ്രലോകത്ത് ചെന്നത് പോലാണ് ചന്ദ്രനെ ചൂണ്ടി ചന്തയിൽ വെട്ടിയിടാൻ തന്ത്രമോരോന്ന് തേടണ രണ്ടാളും മന്ത്രമില്ലാതെ മായകളില്ലാതെ ഇന്ദ്രലോകത്ത് ചെന്നത് പോലാണ്
Amazing. Amazing. Listen, after the bonus trailer, the second trailer, this was required. This song was required. My God. I was wondering if anything can beat Thee Minnal. This is here. Edukka Kashay. Huh? How fun is this song? And the best part about this song is the way it has been arranged. I mean, vocals are great, but I think for me it's the way it has been composed. Because you see that those modern beats also, but you very clearly, prominently hear those Indian, the instruments. I think it was the dholak. I'll again check the Indian rhythm. Yes, whoever did this, the Shehnai, Nadaswaram. These are the instruments that were used. How I have, after a very long time, I'm hearing this kind of song. This is like the typical, this is the typical Shadi wala song that we play to jam in Barat. I am not kidding you. This is exactly that vibe. How beautiful is this movie's album? You know what the makers are doing? You know what the makers are doing? They are just leaving us confused. I don't know what to expect now. Just see the variety of songs, then both the trailers, just compare them. I am totally like at a loss of words to even understand where this movie is headed. Like, what is this movie even going to be? I am so impressed. I am so impressed with all the promotional content. And this movie's album has really, really captured my attention. Really captured my attention. I mean, Thee Minnal and Uire, both these songs are already in my playlist, and this is like the New Year's Eve party jam. I feel I don't know the meaning of the song, but this is something I would play. This is something I would play to dance. Oh wow, fantastic. I think for me the best parts about this song were where all that Indian musical instruments were used and integrated. Those are the best parts of the song. Yes, at least for me. I don't know for you. Shan Rahman once again like nailed it like bullseye. I'm getting really hyped now, guys. I'm sorry. See, it's just that whenever I listen to something amazing, I feel very happy. I personally feel very happy. You know what? They could have given like the transition, because see, guys, it's coming on Netflix, so a lot of people are gonna watch it. So what's the harm in giving the subtitles and the meaning of the song? I really want to know the meaning, even though it's the lyric video. And so much of thought also has been put out, and this I said in Thee Minnal also. In fact, for Uire and this song as well. Uire, sorry. In this song also, the way they have made the music video, the animation, how beautiful it looks, like a comic book. Then Uire completely looked like this beautiful painting. It's so engaging, it's so fun, it's so much fun, and it adds so much value to the song also. Like, listening to the song independently, yes, I would enjoy it, but watching it with the visuals, I am enjoying it even more. Great job, Minnal Murali's music team. Great job. Of course, for lyrics, I'm really sorry, Manu Manjeet ji. I cannot comment on it because I don't know the meaning. So that's one area where I really cannot comment anything, like my thoughts. Then the singer, Shweta Ashok. So much, like there is this amazing sense of energy in the voice, in the vocals, that I've like completely, it was absolutely the energy of the vocals and the music, they were matching, they were in sync. It had great synergy. I'm sorry, this song really impressed me. Have you seen me talk so much about a song before? Maybe in a couple of instances, but like the energy that the song gave me. Shan Rahman, well done. Absolutely. Like I was almost at the verge of tears, and here, so I just wanted to leave everything and just dance over here. Thank God I didn't. Anyway, so great song, and this kid, this is the kid I think who is going to teach Minnal about, like, who's going to introduce him to various superheroes. Like, you know, you see him with that visual, he has the comic books, so he's going to be like, okay, you know, this is Batman and these are superheroes, these people with special powers are called superheroes, so you are a superhero. So because Minnal, of course, is going to be very, very confused with his powers, so the kid and the Minnal, you know, kid and Minnal are going to have a moment, beautiful scenes, I hope. So yes, my goodness, I shouldn't be hyped so much for a movie, huh? Really, really. Okay. Anyway, but I can't help it. If you're putting such promotional material, then of course I'm gonna be hyped. Of course I'm gonna be hyped. So yes, that was the reaction. That was the reaction. I enjoyed it. I mean, it's pretty obvious from the reaction. I really, really enjoyed it. Thank you, Minnal Murli team, for making such amazing songs. And I hope you guys also enjoyed this reaction. I've come till the end of the video. I mean, I'm sure there would be exceptional people who did not jam to this song. I want to know if you are like, no, it did not work for me, I did not jam to the song. Please do let me know in the comments, because of course not everybody likes everything in this world. So yeah. So that was the reaction. I will end this video here and sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.